Meaning of generality.
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 Generality. Generality refers to the ability of a concept, principle, or theory to apply beyond specific instances. In other words, it is the capacity to transfer knowledge from one situation to another. The presence of generality in a concept allows for more efficient problem solving and the development of more comprehensive models. It also facilitates communication and collaboration between different fields of study. However, the degree of generality can vary depending on the context and the level of abstraction. Balancing generality and specificity is essential for achieving a deep understanding of complex systems and phenomena.